Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be playing around with the new Colourpop Fade Into Hue palette. I asked you guys on Instagram if you guys wanted a video on it, and pretty much everyone said yes. So I thought I would do a quick little video using a quick, I don't do anything quick. I talk way too much to do anything quick. But I just wanted to do a video, just play around with it. So obviously this is just like one palette, so I thought while I'm here I'll also show you guys some of the other sets. I didn't do a full video. If you guys saw my little like community post thing that I didn't do a full video on the holiday sets that launched on Colourpop. I didn't have enough stuff to do a full video on it, so I did swatches and kind of like close-ups on my Instagram, and I posted those there. And then I got some more of the sets like after the launch already, and it was already like Thanksgiving, so I just didn't do a full video. So I thought I would talk about, because I'm looking on the website right now. I believe that Cyber Week ends when you guys are watching this today at 11:59 p.m. PST. So Monday night when you guys are watching this, the sale will end. So I thought I would kind of just show you guys some of the kits and stuff. So the first thing obviously I'm going to talk about is the Fade Into Hue palette, because that's what you guys are here for. So this is a makeup palette and there are 30 shades. So this is what the palette looks like, and then this is the inside. I will put close-ups on the screen, but this is the inside, and it is just, you know, your typical rainbow palette. There are a mixture of mattes, some shimmers, metallics, pressed glitters, pretty much any formula you can think of, it's in this palette. So we have a row of pinks, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple. So that is the palette. The palette does retail for $34. During Cyber Week, it is $23.80. Have a little bundle with this little roll of the cream gel liners. Unfortunately, that already sold out, but if it does come back in stock, I definitely recommend picking this up because I love the cream gel liners. I mentioned that the child palette has restocked as well. It's still in stock on the website while I'm checking right now. I do have a video on that. If you guys want to check it out, I'll put it up on the screen, or I'll put it in the little eye thingy. I will link all the sets that I'm talking about, by the way, down below. Obviously, my code does not work during the sale, but if you guys want to help me out and use any of my affiliate links, it will help out a lot. So thank you in advance if you guys do. So let me show you guys some of the other sets that I have and that I do recommend. First one, I did do swatches of this on my Instagram. I'll put them here on the screen, but this is the Dreamery Super Shock Shadow Little Volt, and there are 9 Super Shocks in here, and this retails for 38, I guess 38 bucks, but for the sale price it is 32. So you get the shadows in here. It's really pretty and I liked all of them. There is only one new shade, I believe. The rest of them have been existing shades, but I do recommend that one. The next things that I recommend are these. I'm obsessed with these. These are the Soul Body little fragrances. So we have the little mini spritzers, and the coconut one smells so good, you guys. If you guys have any of the Soul Body products, they smell like the Soul Body product. The coconut one does. There's also in this little set the Sea Bloom, which also smells really good. This is retailing for $12 and on sale it's $8, so $8 for 2 of the little minis, or you can buy them the full size ones, which I definitely recommend the coconut one. They're normally $10 and they're $7 on sale. I do have the big ones, they're just not here right now. They're in my bathroom because I've already used them because I love this coconut one. It smells so good. And I also recommend the little Lounge Bar fragrance oil kit. This so good. It smells amazing. I just am obsessed with that coconut scent that all the Soul Body products have. So this one I do recommend as well, and this one retails for normally $28 and on sale it is 19 bucks. So I forgot about this too. So I did get the State of Play little pastel palette vault. This is so cute. I definitely recommend this because it has the 9-pan palettes in here, and this retails for, normally would be it's a $72 value. It's normally 68 bucks, and then on sale it's 48. So hopefully that made sense. But in here there are 2 new palettes. There are, let me open it up thing, and you just slip this off and you open it up. It's so cute, and it has all the pastel palettes in here. Now I don't know why they put Going Coconuts in the pastel set, but okay, I like Going Coconuts, so it is what it is. But we have all of these little palettes in here. Well, not little, the 9 pans. So we have the new Cloud Spun palette, Baby Got Peach, Going Coconuts, Meant to Be, the new On Cloud Blue, and Lilac You a Lot. So again, these are already existing palettes, but we do have 2 of the new ones. I think it's a really good price for 6 palettes. Yeah, 6 palettes it's a really good price. This is what the new Cloud Spun palette looks like. It's just like a more pastel version of Ooh La La. It's cute. I like it. If you guys want a video on the two palettes, the two new ones, let me know. This is the On Cloud Blue. Again, it's just like a more pastel version of Blue Moon, which is literally my favorite 9pan palette, but it's really pretty. Definitely very like pastel. So definitely would say I definitely recommend the Volt because I think it's just a really good price. Even if it's not for yourself, if you want to get somebody a gift, this would be so, so cute. And if somebody got me this for like Christmas, I would literally like pass out. This is so adorable. Any of the 4th Ray little sets I think are worth it. I love this one for the little face milks. I think it's a really good little set. So this one is normally 30 bucks and on sale it's 21. So you get 4 face milks for 21 bucks, and there is the strawberry papaya, pineapple coconut, matcha avocado, and the chamomile oat. And I definitely gonna put this aside to give this as a gift to someone because this is a really good gift. Giving skincare as like gifts is like amazing. So don't only think of yourself. I know it's like hard to like not want to buy everything for yourself, but for gifts, like this would be a really good gift. And it's also, I think it could also fit in the stocking. So if you want like stocking stuffers, if you have like a bigger stocking, I think it'll fit in there. So also this little superfood kit. There's like a bunch of the different little 4th Ray sets like this, and I think they're all worth it. I think the little skincare sets are really cute, and it's a really good gift. Usually give everyone skincare for Christmas. Like it's one of those things that like you don't like buying yourself, but like getting it as a gift is perfect. So the cooling facial globes, I still haven't tried these out myself, but they are a good price right now during the sale. It's just these little globes that you kind of rub all over your face to kind of help with like inflammation and stuff, kind of like how the face rollers and stuff are. This one is kind of like the same thing. Some of the little ornaments that are the So Juicy little ornaments, they're really cute. These are 5 bucks I believe, and I would say pick it up because like how cute would this be like on Christmas Day or something, just like on your tree, and like just like, oh, pick a gloss, like that'd be really cute. Or you could also throw these in stockings. I think these are definitely like a must. I think they're a good price, and I just think like you can't go wrong with giving someone like a gloss or something. So definitely good like little ornaments to put on the tree and just kind of like surprise like someone like that, or just throwing them in stockings. So the last little set that I do recommend is the It's Faux 8-piece foaming false lash kit. This is what it looks like. I definitely recommend this. I think this is so cute, not only for yourself, but could you imagine getting this as a gift? This would be adorable. I really like the packaging. I think Colourpop does sets really well because it's packaged so nicely, and like getting that as a gift would just be like a gift in itself. But it's so cute, and I really like how they packaged it with showing all of them like this, and it just has like a little pull-out drawer like this. Use this little like set thing to put other lashes in here later on or whatever, but I think this is really cute. I think it's a really good price. I have one of the lashes on right now. I'm wearing like the super natural ones. I recommend this for yourself or especially as a gift. I think this is really cute. Okay, so those are the sets that I do recommend. I have a couple other ones, but I just think that those ones are worth mentioning. Like I said earlier, I will link everything down below for you guys if you guys want to pick anything up. Yeah, so anyways, this is the look that I came up with today using the palette. So if you guys want to see how I got this look right here and to hear my final thoughts on the palette, then just keep watching. So we're gonna jump into the palette. I don't really know what I'm gonna do yet. Also, if I'm sitting like at an angle like this, make a long story short, I hurt my foot. I don't know if it's sprained or if it's just if I just rolled it. I don't really know what I did, but I have my foot up right now. So if I'm like turned a little bit, that is why. I'm gonna kind of go off of my shirt a little bit, the colors of it. So it's like pink, blue, green, there's a little bit of purple. I'll probably start with blue. I kind of want to stay with the pastel. So I'm gonna take It Easel. Oh my god, the names on here are so cute. Take It Easel. I'm just gonna start, by the way, my eyes are already primed. I'm gonna start off on this outer corner, kind of stamping it on almost at an angle a little bit, kind of like how my shirt is going, like this way. And I'm not starting at the outer edge, like I'm not starting like right here. I'm kind of starting like almost at the end because I might go in with another color there, but I'm just starting off with that shade first. And this one's really pigmented. It's going on really nicely. And I'm just going to blend that upwards towards the brow, kind of in that shape a little bit, kind of going like towards, like I'm starting from the center going towards the outer part of my brow. The color is really nice. I really like how it stayed on, like it went on really pigmented. So I went with Dyed Up, which is this green right here. It's not like the super pastel-y green up here. It's like a little more of a limey green. Just do the same thing right next to it. Oh, that's a really pretty green. Yeah, I'm just doing the same thing. I'm just stamping that right next to the blue. And again, I'm still going at that angle. I'm starting kind of right here, going towards like the outer part of my brow. They're blending in together really nicely. I'm not even having to do like any work. So pigmented. I like can't get over it. It's really, really pretty. I'm gonna go in with the, should I do pink? Take Lovecraft, that shade right there. I'm gonna do the same shape again that I've been doing. It's kind of just going at like an angle, but I'm stamping it on. Take a flat brush actually. I will go back with the green just to re-intensify it. I just want to stamp this color on first. And I'm gonna go back with Dyed Up. Oh, that color is so pretty, like I can't get over it. I just want to keep going back and forth. That way you can still get a lot of pigment, but also keep it nice and blended. I'm actually gonna take a little bit of some white eyeshadow. There's not a white in here. I'm just taking the Blowing Smoke palette really quick with a little bit of white to kind of just lighten this up a little bit. Back with Take It Easel. I'm just putting that really towards the outer part of the eye now. I didn't start off there too much, but I am adding that now. A little bit more pink because I can't decide if I want more pink or not. The colors are on. There's yellow on this shirt too. Add a little bit of yellow. I just truly can't decide what I want to do. I think I'm gonna add a little bit of yellow. I'm taking Abstract and I'm gonna put that kind of in between the green and the pink and hope for the best. That might merge the green and the pink a little bit better too. Putting a little bit there, like right in between. I'm just taking a little bit at a time, that way I don't like overpower one color or the other. Back with Tied Up, or Dyed Up, not Tied Up, Dyed Up. Trust the process, you guys. Just trust the process because I really like how this looks now. I'm gonna add a little bit of yellow right here. There we go. Okay. Wow. Okay, I like how this look came out now. Back again a little bit with that white eyeshadow. Okay, so I did my base really quick just to kind of speed things up. I will leave everything that I used down below. But we're gonna move on to the lower lash line. So I have the little cream gel liner roll thing right here, but I think all of them are existing shades already, so I do have some of them, if not all of them. But I'm gonna use Crybaby because this is like one of my favorites, and this is just the lavender one. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my waterline. I also want to say, I think I learned this from Karen, I Love Sadie. I think it was her, I'm not too sure, but I used to hate putting like lighter like eyeliners in my waterline, and I would always take it all the way in to like my inner corner, and I always wonder why it looked weird. So I think she said she stops like about right here, and once I started doing that, it like changed my life. So I don't take it all the way, I stop kind of where my pupil ends, and it looks so much better. Should I add more yellow? I think I'm gonna add a little bit more yellow to the lower lash line. And this on the inner part. By the way, my shirt is Midsummer. If you guys haven't, I posted a picture in this shirt before, but if you guys couldn't see what it says let the festivities begin, and it is a Midsummer shirt. I'll link it down below. I don't know if it's still available. I know that the brand that I bought it from, they do kind of like limited drops, so, but I know they brought a bunch of stuff back for Black Friday, so if they still have it, I'll link it. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with Selfie, which is the lavender. I'm gonna put this on the outer part, and I am gonna connect that to the top too, I think. I need little tiny brushes for this. This is a Colourpop L1. This is a lip brush. Thank God for this shirt, because this shirt gave me all the inspo because I had no idea what I was gonna do today. Took Selfie on a little bit of a bigger brush just to get this outer corner over here so it'll blend in to that blue mascara. But first I think I'm gonna use one of the lashes from the Lash Vault. I put some on, and then I'll let you, I'm gonna put them on off camera just because I hate putting on lashes on camera, and then I'll let you guys know which ones I use. I haven't worn like a full strip of lashes in a minute because I've been wearing half lashes, so I might cut these. I don't know, I'll let you guys know. Okay, so I went ahead and put on some lashes. These ones were wifey, and I really like them because they're super natural, and I've been into a really natural lash lately. I also didn't want something to like overpower the super like soft eyeshadow, so we're gonna just do lips really quick. I'm just gonna take my Alamad Cosmetics Dulce lip liner, one of the little So Juicy ornaments. This one is Small Talk. just a little bit like that. I wanted to put something on my inner corner. So I'm gonna take Express, which is this shade. It's like a shimmery lavender. I'm just gonna put that on my inner corner, just a little bit. I'm not gonna do anything super intense. Ooh, that's really pretty. It's off this powder, and then I'll give you guys my final thoughts on the palette. So let me give you guys my final thoughts. First of all, I really like how this look turned out. Definitely it was one of those like trust the process kind of looks, because at first I was like, this is turning out really bad. But I'm glad I wore this shirt because it definitely gave me the inspo for this look, and it turned out really well. I really liked the greens in here. The green was super, super pretty, and I really liked the blue, and everything was super pigmented. I really liked that about it, and I love that it comes just in like one palette like this, and I just think it's really cute. I like the packaging and everything, and overall I could definitely see myself reaching for this. I really like the colors. I can't have enough rainbow palettes. I love them. But I do want to say that when putting them next to some of the 9pan palettes, you're like me and you love the 9pan palettes and you have a lot of them. You have Strawberry Shake, Orange You Glad, Aha Honey, Blue Moon, and I Like You a Lot, and In a Trance. I would say those are all pretty similar to the shades that are in here. The only one I can think of that is different enough is the greens in this palette. I don't really think they're super similar to the Just My Luck, to Meant to Be, or the Child palette. So I think the ones that are in here that are like the most unique are the greens in here. You have all of these palettes. I would definitely say you don't need this one because the shades in here are pretty similar once they're like kind of next to each other. They're not exact, like they're not the same exact shades, but you could pretty much get it out of those palettes, you know? I would say if you have like maybe just like a couple, not all of those ones, then I think you could still get away with getting this palette. But definitely if you have those ones specifically, like if you have all of those, you definitely don't need this palette. And also She's a Rainbow, this one came out I think last year, and even though that this was like in a palette like this and they were single shadows, kind of similar, a little similar, but you definitely get more shadows in this one. And yeah, but I mean, it came in a palette like this. It's not exact. I don't think they sell this anymore, and if you would buy the single shadows individually, obviously it's more expensive than doing it like this, especially right now with the Cyber Week sale. If it's not on sale, it's still cheaper to get it this way. But yeah, so if you have that palette, you probably won't need this one either. But that one came out last year, if not 2 years ago. I don't even remember when it came out, but yeah, so I would just say if you have those, you definitely don't need this palette. But if you don't, or only have like maybe a couple of the ones that I mentioned, then I think you can still get away with getting this palette because I think it's really pretty. I love the greens in here, and the purples aren't exactly the same as the ones that are in Like You a Lot and In a Trance. And for me personally, I would buy the palettes for the purples and the greens. That's just me though. Like, I love purple and green eyeshadow, and it's really rare to come across them. So whenever like a palette has like nice purples or nice greens, I will get it. So I do think the purples in here are a little different, but I feel like you can kind of still get the same look with those palettes. Whereas like the green ones in here, I think they're pretty different than like the other ones, especially that dyed up shade. I love that shade so much. It's so pretty. Yeah, and if you don't have any like rainbow palettes, I definitely would say pick it up because it is really nice. And I just really like the colors in here. I like that there's pastels, some shimmers. There are some pressed glitters in here. I know a lot of you guys don't like those, but I feel like it kind of makes sense with this palette. I would definitely put pressed glitters in a rainbow palette. That's just me. But I like that there's a mixture of mattes and stuff, and I like that we have like the more bolder colors right here and the more like pastels at the top. So that's pretty much my thoughts on the palette, and I really like it. It worked well, it performed well. Everything was super pigmented and like blended out nicely. So yeah, anyways, yeah, so leave me a comment down below. Did you guys pick anything up during Cyber Week? What did you guys get? Did you guys pick up this palette? I want to know what you guys got during Cyber Week, if you guys picked anything up. So anyways, I hope that you guys liked this video. If you guys did like this video, then make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.